All India Poetry Conference Meghalaya chapter mentakasngi ka arpanyo tarik risau arajar arpuar kala samno eki khusnam shakila du hagajinge kop jo 9th Meghalaya Poetry Competition arajar arpuar ka Professor Streamlet Khar ka badai ka President jong All India Poetry Conference Meghalaya chapter kala thu baki noishim menta hakading jinge kop ki don hadu arspa ngut ki balawan na ki school prepare jong ka jylla bat kuntup ru ye ki samla puli jong ka school bat nihu bat kumju ru da ka jinge sim menta lang ki nong hikai school All India Poetry Conference Meghalaya chapter manusnam ka jupunlong yakani ka jinge kop bat kala benta ye ki hak tien khasi garo hindi bat pharang bat ka phang preng jong ka ni ka de jing rakhi dap san posnam ka jylla Meghalaya ka kong streamlight kala pentip bak jing slam ban sam yakini ki khusnam shikin nong job ka dei namar bamenta usnam ka kunhun kam sham la yo jing rap nak sarkar henry lan no smnyang ngobha dawba maria hom kharkrang ubare u he pulit ka jylla ubala shong that no nakakam nakabanta ki khusnam habakran ko musambot kong sanu Dr. Silvanus Lamari ubade u principal ka St. Edmunds College ula ai khublei kerpang ya ka All India Poetry Conference ka bala shim yakani ka sin jam ban plilat yaki samla ban yo ishim banta hakate ka jing kop
IBC in fact has taken the Khasi women to the world stage because through this organization they have traveled far and wide. As Professor Streamlet had mentioned, they represented the Khasi race to different countries, So hats off to them for this opportunity that they provided to the members. Because any organization that provides a platform like this is an organization that can grow. And any organization that continues to organize programs, especially for the youth and for the people, is an organization that is alive and active. And I hope that the government of Meghalaya will recognize this organization because it has really taken up the task that is assigned to them. Being in a material society, the women have really come forward and move forward. And I hope that other organizations will learn from them and move forward and really take the Khasi race to the world stage. We cannot get away from poetry as long as we choose to study. And for those who are here having won the competition, we have now to read your work because you have won. And understand poetry, but you have also written thereby asking all of us to read your poetry and understand them as far as possible. So the winners, to understand you, now I have to interact with you. That is poetry. But unfortunately, we cannot interact with Shakespeare, we cannot interact with Wordsworth because they are no longer with us.
Continue to write good poetry. Okay?
Nakaliong ba mariham kharkrang habakran kumukong san halor ka pangjong jingdap san posnam ka jylla ulapan pau bakalong ka badon kam ya ki bala he lasan ban betin lynti nakabenta ki khun samla bakin jet ya kalenti yat ka babyang namar ba shisen kasngi kin salong ki nongïalam ya ka jylla.
We need to imbibe in our school children the love of poetry. And that can only be done if, as teachers, because I believe a lot of teachers are here, as teachers we have to make poetry very interesting. We have to be able to explain poetry in a very interesting manner so that our children are able to imbibe and love it. Because poetry is something where it's very amazing, where certain things, 3-4 paragraphs of wording can be brought down to one single sentence, like my good friend Dr. Lamari had said, where poetry you start having notes and contradictory statements of one writer contradicting another and all these things and on. Which there's certain places where even one line also you have so many different kind of interpretations. So that is how poetry becomes interesting. I feel that this organization, All India Poetess, they are the ones who will give space to these young minds. They will are the ones who will build up these young people, our young boys and girls, and build up their imagination. And you never know this kind of imagination where it will lead to. Why are we just thinking about Shillong? Why are we talking about only Kyrwoh? Let us look beyond that. Let us look national. Let us look international. There is no harm to dream big. Here I see a lot of young boys and girls over here. You continue to dream big. You like poetry, you say that one day my poems will be used in schools, will be used in colleges. Why not? You continue, you dream big, my dear boys and girls. But if you dream big, you have to work big also. Just dreaming big doesn't help. You continue to dream big, but at the same time also you work big. Then you see what you can achieve. There's no limit to achievement. As we celebrate our 50 years of statehood, what does it say? If you take it, if you connect the two together, our statehood and this piece of poetry, you can connect the two together by saying that you say, serve the state with all commitment, and you will derive personal joy out of it. See, the direction our state moves depends on each one of you, each one of us, me and you together. We are the ones who will be responsible to take the direction where our state needs to go. And that can only happen if each one of us know our responsibility towards our state, know what is our commitment towards the state, and we together strive for that. The famous quote we are very fond of, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Similarly, it applies to our state also. Because many a times we keep on asking what our state does to us, what does Meghalaya does for us. Have we asked ourselves, what have we done for our state? The whole problem lies because we keep on asking, what does the state do for us? How many of us have actually sat down and think it over? How much have we contributed for our state? Each one of your contribution is important to the state. It is not small. Combine all these together will make our state totally different.